We all know that cutting filler words like and like helps tighten up delivery and make the message clearer. But going through a full video and trimming them one by one, especially on a tight deadline, nearly impossible. That's where Cutback comes in. Head over to Auto Rough Cut and let it analyze your footage. In the chat, just type remove filler words or pick it from the available options. Cutback will generate a draft where those filler words are automatically removed. No manual scrubbing required. Now here's the important part. Jump cuts can be distracting if overdone. So review the script and play it back in Cutback to make sure the pacing still feels natural. Use the K key to toggle any cut on or off, word by word. And if the timing between edits feels too tight or too loose, you can easily tweak the gap right in the timeline. Once you're satisfied, hit Save Draft and apply to sequence. The cleaned up edit will be reflected in your project instantly. Remove the clutter and keep your message sharp.